In this video, we are going to learn the two things: VLOOKUP approximate match, XLOOKUP search mode. Okay, with example. And by the way, I'm using the OneDrive line, so keep remember. So let's start the today video. Here the first we have the example, the income slab and the tax rate. Okay, based on the income, and this is the income slab and the tax rate. And what is our task today? The what is the tax rate for someone earning suppose the 6,20,000. Okay, so this is the someone earning. So what is the tax rate? So how we can find? Here you can notice the if you notice the 6 lakh to 20,000 is not exactly in listed. That's why we use approximate match. So how we can use equal we look up, and here the first parameter is the lookup. So this is the of course this is the lookup comma table array. Table array means to select the entire table without the any hesitation. Comma. Column index. Column index, yeah, you can say the return value what you want to return. So I want to return this. Okay. So here we need to select the only column. Don't select the again the column range. So you can see the column index number, only number. So type 2, comma. Here the two things false. Yeah, exactly. Often we use, but if our the amount, yeah, something we are the lookup value is not here in this the table, so we are used approximate. That means true, close parenthesis and editor, and you can see. And 0.1 is say the percentage. So we need to change the format. Simply go to format under the home tab, and you can see the percentage, and decrease the decimals, and this is your the answer. So this is called the approximate match, where you can use tax the calculation, yeah, commission slabs, yeah, student credit system if you are the trying to each student, and discount the percentage based on the quantity. Okay, so such case you can use the approximate. Okay, so this is the VLOOKUP approximate. Next, XLOOKUP search mode. How to use search mode? Basically, we are trying to find the last attendance. So here you can see the name and date, and we need to find the last attendance. Okay, so here we use equal and x lookup. Yeah, you can give the lookup values. So suppose I want to the use one, and here equal x lookup. Okay, so select this lookup x lookup. Lookup value, so simple. This is the lookup value. Okay, comma. Lookup array. So little difference from the VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP says the table array, and here only says the lookup array. Lookup array, where is the lookup value? So this is the column lookup value, comma. Return array. Return array. So we need to select the array range. Okay. So again select this, comma. If not found, skip comma. Here the what we need to use comma, and here the four option we have. Okay, so how we can search? Okay, so basically the search first to last. If you select the first, so you and close parenthesis both this, and we need to format again the change the format in the short chat simply. So this is the date for me. Okay, so here Aman, the 2nd July. So first to last. Okay, now let's change the search last to first. Last to first. So minus one and hit enter. So this is you can see the last status, last attendance, whatever you can say. 4th of July and 4th of July. Okay. And if you are change and here the binary showed ascending order, second and hit enter. So you can see ascending order. If we have the last data, so you can use. And the last is the wild card. Where is on here the binary, okay, but we need minus 2, don't need for this, but if I remove the here the wildcard character also. So wildcard we often we use the with asterisk sign, okay. So comma, and here this time we use minus 1 last first and hit enter, and you can see the latest attendance of okay. So generally where you can use, yeah, which case you can use the find the last activity of user, last update status, reverse search, and the track latest transition. Okay. So this is the XLOOKUP search mode. Okay, so try it with the different examples, and you will better understand what is going on and how we can use. So that's it about this video. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. Let's see you next.